Hey, what's up guys? How are you all? This is Ram and you're watching Infinity Explorer. Today there will be no experiment video. No experiment video in Infinity Explorer's channel? Yes, but there is something special today. Guess what? We reached 100 video uploads on YouTube. That's great. I feel very happy about it. Making 100 videos, writing script for 100 videos, doing 100 different experiments, editing it, uploading it, receiving appreciation for it. It's a lot of fun. Thank you so much guys. You guys motivated me to do all these videos and gave me a lot of support and love. Thank you so much. I'm grateful to you guys. 100 videos. When I started, all I have is this 𝗚𝗲 𝗜, which is a single lens basic camera phone which don't even record such good quality videos. I used to take my brother's phones to record videos and edit videos in this phone. I edited around 50 videos using this phone, and I used iPhone SE, Realme X and iPhone 6, Realme Nazo, Realme 8. These are all not my mobiles, and I used to take from my brothers and neighbors to record videos because I don't have a good phone to record videos. All I have is a good idea, good concept, especially passion to do these experiments and record and upload it on YouTube to show you guys. And here I am now. I don't have much subscribers right now, but I'm happy with what I'm doing. I uploaded 100 videos and I can't even believe that I uploaded 100 videos. It takes around 8 to 10 hours right from scripting to upload a video on YouTube. If I calculate the math, it's around more than 800 hours. That's great actually. I wanted to start an experiment channel. It started in 2016, but I discontinued. Due to this pandemic, I got a lot of time and restarted what I love doing it. Started from this, now own this. Not from YouTube money though. My parents bought me this Sony Alpha A6000, the camera I dreamed for. It's not even first hand, it's second hand camera. Bought it for 25,000. Not used yet, but from the next videos I'm going to use this camera to record videos. It can record up to 1080p 60 frames. That's enough for YouTube purpose. Let's see how the video quality is gonna be. In the beginning, I used to shoot on mobile, edit on mobile, voiceover on mobile, not even earphones. I just use the phone mic, inbuilt mic on the phone to record my audio. And later, a few videos later, I heard about Audacity and I used to edit my audio in this laptop, which has 2 gigs of RAM, i3 second generation. What a great specs. It can barely run those, but it's good enough at that time. It's not even running now. That's why I got a new laptop. But it helped me a lot to edit videos, like reducing noise, enhancing the quality of the audio a bit. There are so many changes. Started with a basic phone, now I got my camera and bought a lot of stuff too in between. And this is a continuous process. You have to upgrade yourself. Sometimes you may not get funding for what you want to upgrade. I'm doing YouTube for more than 1 year now. I didn't even pay even once for what I'm doing. It's all my parents' money I'm using. They are so supportive that they bought me whatever I wanted. They bought this mobile phone which I am currently recording now, the 𝗚𝗲 mic for recording. I use Realme 7 to record my videos. For audio, I'm using this 𝗚𝗲 mic. To edit, I'm using Premiere Pro. For around 50 videos, I used KineMaster app for editing videos. After that, the last 50 videos you see is being edited on Premiere Pro in this laptop, my Acer Nitro 5 11th gen. I'll drop the links in the description. And I use this Dell wireless combo. Full video is coming soon, shooting in progress. What I use for recording, what I use for editing, a complete detailed video will be soon. But for now, just go through the surface. For video recording, Realme 7. For mic, for audio, 𝗚𝗲 mic. For editing, Premiere Pro in Acer Nitro 5 2020 version, i5 10 Zen, GTX 1650 Ti. and this is just my desk. And the effect you see on my back is because of this cheap light. It will cost you around 250 rupees on Amazon, but it's worth purchasing. You can see a great ambient light behind my chair. The main motto of the video is just start what you want to do. I started YouTube with just a phone which is not even capable of recording good quality video and audio, but I started. Now I got Realme 7, I got camera, I bought tripods, I bought light stands, I bought backlights. It's increasing, it's a continuous process. I'll drop the links for these products in the description. If you want, you can buy them or just pay a visit to Amazon. So that's it for today. Meet you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring infinity. Thank you, 100.